Hello my friends, I'm happy to do a new video for you. So this is autumn weather in England, sometimes very rainy and dark. So in my blog I try to turn from excited journey over the region to job.
Кто хочет поработать?
And in the next some video I would like to show you what kind of job foreigners can take in England, according to my experience and people who I know. So if you're interested in this topic and you did not subscribe to my channel yet, you just press subscribe and follow up my story. Many people think that foreigners who have no proper English and proper professional skills can do just second-rate job in England. But I would like to tell you that everything depends on you. When I first time came to England, I asked one Ukrainian lady who already lived here what kind of job we can do here. And she answered me, Banbury is mostly parking place. You can work in warehouses, pack something, and it's all. This is true that many foreigners, especially Polish, Bulgarians, Romanians, are doing packing here and in warehouses. This job is quite simple. You can get not bad earn for this job. And actually as a part-time job or for beginning it can be okay. But if you would like to develop, if you would like to improve your English, you should not to stuck just on this job. You should take it just as a part-time job and consider it for the quite small period. But don't stop. During your free time, improve your English and also looking for better position. I visit English courses here, and I met there are a guy from Bulgaria who work already for 6 years here. He work for one warehouse. He is doing packing. He told that he is high up on better position, but it's anyway it's also packing, and his English is not so good. And I met so many people here that stuck in one level. During my conversation with this guy, I found that in his country, in Bulgaria, he was a journalist. He even had his show there, and he used to work as a manager assistant in hotel in Bulgaria. And actually he is very talented. I think his problem is just that he used to do this his job and he have no a big desire to change something he want, but of course it need to do the next step. It need to do something different and challenging sometimes. Next, my story is about Ukrainian lady who was teacher of math in Ukraine. And she has not good English at all, but when she came here she had strong desire to teach at school. So as she told me, she sent many applications, many her CVs to different schools during the summer period. She was searching for job, and at least one of the school offered to her teacher assistant job. And with her no good English, she was accepted to school, and now she is doing her the best. She bought even a car for going to this school, because it's difficult as school is in one village and she live in another, on other side of Banbury. So she work 5 days a week, and she visit English courses, she learn English through online courses, and she teach Ukrainian pupils through the internet. So if you would like to take job in England, don't believe anybody who tell you that it's impossible, that you can get just second-rate job. Be persistent, value yourself and your knowledge, and you definitely will get what you want. Hope my advice will be useful for you. Thank you for watching this video, and see you very soon. Bye bye.